Did you know that thousands of years ago, ancient sages were already mapping the stars, calculating the cosmos, and uncovering principles of physics and medicine, long before modern science? And all of this knowledge is preserved in the sacred Hindu texts. Hindu scriptures are not just spiritual guides. They are treasure troves of ancient science, mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and even engineering. From the Vedas to the Upanishads, from the Mahabharata to the Puranas, these texts reveal a sophisticated understanding of the natural world. Let's begin with the Vedas, particularly the Rig Veda and Vedanga Jyotisha. These ancient texts describe the movement of planets, the lunar and solar calendars, and even eclipses. The Surya Siddhanta, a classical treatise on astronomy, calculated the Earth's circumference, the length of the year, and the orbital periods of planets with astonishing accuracy. Long before the telescopes of Galileo and Copernicus, the Hindu concept of Brahmanda, or the cosmic egg, described in the Puranas, mirrors modern ideas of a universe expanding from a singular point. The notion of time cycles, yugas and kalpas, also suggests an understanding of vast cosmic epochs, far beyond human lifespans. Mathematics in Hindu texts is equally revolutionary. The Sulba Sutras, which are appendices to the Vedas, contain geometric principles used in altar construction. These texts describe the Pythagorean theorem centuries before Pythagoras. And of course, India is the birthplace of zero, the concept of Shunya, and the decimal system, which allowed mathematicians to perform calculations with extraordinary precision. Aryabhata, in the Aryabhatiya, even approximated the value of pi and explained the rotation of the Earth on its axis. In medicine, the Karaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita reveal the incredible depth of Ayurveda. The Sushruta Samhita details over 300 surgical procedures, including cataract surgery, plastic surgery, and complex bone-setting techniques. It also describes medicinal plants, their chemical properties, and how to use them, a holistic approach that modern pharmacology is only now beginning to fully appreciate. The texts even explore principles of physics. The Vaimanika Shastra, though debated, describes the concept of flying machines and the propulsion technologies of the ancients. While some ideas may sound mystical, the principles hint at advanced knowledge of aerodynamics, energy, and mechanical engineering. Hindu texts are also early advocates of ecological awareness. The Vedas emphasize the sacredness of rivers, mountains, and forests, prescribing rituals to preserve nature. The Manusmriti and other Dharmashastras contain guidelines on sustainable agriculture, water conservation, and social responsibility toward the environment. In every verse, every mantra, and every allegory, Hindu scriptures carry a dual message: spiritual wisdom and scientific insight. What modern science is rediscovering today was already being observed, calculated, and preserved by sages thousands of years ago. So the next time you read the Vedas or the Puranas, remember they are not just stories. They are a library of ancient science, waiting to be decoded. Hindu texts are not just about the soul. They are about the cosmos, life, and the very laws that govern our universe. And in their timeless wisdom, they remind us that knowledge and spirituality were never separate. They were one.